Hi everyone, it's Kyle with Rangeland RV, and welcome to the all-new Rockwood Freedom 2716 F10 trailer. This one features a king bed up front, queen in the back, with a large U-shaped dinette, bathroom, and an extra couch. Let's check it out. Some specs and feature of this new floor plan is the length is coming in tip to tip at 19 feet 1 inch, and it's also on a 14-foot box, giving you that king and queen bed. It comes in 2,800 pounds dry, so it's a really nice towing weight, and it gives you tons of sleeping capacity in the tent trailer. The outside features a nice outdoor fridge. Comes with it, Rockwood gives you the outside barbecue with a prep table. Your propane is plumbed in, so you're feeding off your front bottles, so you don't have to bring extra bottles with you. Also, fridge space is really important in tent trailers, so doubling up your fridges is really nice for those extra beverages and stuff outside. You have a 14-foot bag awning, really easy setup. We have a video if you want to check it out. You have the LED strip to light up your campsite at night. And it comes standard on this model is a roof rack system, the Pro Rack. So if you want to attach bikes, kayaks, an extra toolie storage container up there, it gives you those options. So on the backside here of the Rockwood tent trailer, a really nice feature that they make standard is going to be the electric lift system. So it's just a push button up on the front there. When you're setting up or taking down your tent trailer, you're just pressing a button. And it also comes with a limited lifetime warranty and a manual override, so you're going to be covered there. You have two 20-pound propane tanks, and it's prepped for 2 batteries. So if you want to get off the grid and have a little bit better battery life, you have the capacity to do that. Something really nice in this tent trailer is going to be your hot water tank. It's a 6-gallon fast recovery, dual electric and propane. So if you want to take a shower, which is right here, there's an outside and inside shower, or if you just want hot water in the kitchen, you're going to have that option. Also back here, it is prepped for an air conditioning unit. Where we live in Calgary, Alberta, it's not really common to put ACs on tent trailers because there is the fantastic fan built in, but it is prepped, ready to go if you want to add that option. You have your detachable power cord, outside shower as well, and let's go check out the inside. This is a really nice floor plan. It gives you tons of space for a larger family, or if you're looking more for longer stays and you want that extra space. Down here is going to be your king size bed on your heated mattress. So Rockwood, you can plug these ones in, has 5 different settings, will keep you nice and warm at night. They give you an LED light because obviously you can't build in lights over the canvas. That also has a built-in fan, so if you want some reading light or some more circulation, you have that option. And this is a really nice like kangaroo pouch area to throw luggage, extra pillows, just a lot of extra little things Rockwood does in their tent trailers to give you those features. This one features some really nice storage area, but the main feature on this side is going to be your bathroom. So for those late nights where you don't want to walk out to the campground or anything like that, and you just want to use the toilet quickly, you have that option. Or it will come with a surround here, so if you want to have a full shower, you can do that right inside your tent trailer, which is nice. A little bar for towels, all that kind of good stuff. Or if you're not using your bathroom, just leave the lid down and you have a lot more extra counter space. On this side here, you're going to have 2 extra storage drawers and a really good chunk of counter space to bring all those additional things that you want camping. I'll touch on the canvases as well. So Rockwood uses a vinyl on, and it's also in sections too. So if you ever did get a rip in your canvas, you can just replace this one section. You don't have to do the full tent trailer. And it comes with a 5-year warranty as well, which is nice in the Rockwoods. So over here is going to be your U-shaped dinette. This is on a slide out, so it's giving you more floor space to move around the tent trailer. What's really nice about a U-shaped dinette is you're going to have tons of seating. Also, it's going to fold down to a really nice bed. This one's kind of in between a double and a queen, so giving you that additional sleeping area if you bring a lot of guests with you camping. You're also going to have another LED light that plugs in there, so you have some nice light over the table if you guys are playing games or anything like that. Coming over to this side here, you're going to have your couch, which does fold down into another bed, but it's going to be a little bit shorter at 62 inches, so it's more kind of for a kid's sleeping area. There's some really nice storage area across from the kitchen. Up top here, you're going to have your fantastic fan. These are amazing to have in tent trailers. Runs off battery power. Just leave it on. It's going to allow airflow to come throughout the trailer on those hot days because all these windows can open for circulation. The side windows in the main area are tinted too, and you do have the full shade blinds that kind of come over and cover everything. So So in your kitchen here, something nice Rockwood does in this series is going to be giving you a glass cover for your stovetop. So it, again, giving you more counter space in a smaller trailer. So if you're not using this, you can put a cutting board down and prep anything, or just flip it up and you have access to your 3-burner stovetop here. You have a nice kitchen sink over here with hot water because you have the hot water tank on the outside. You have additional soap storage here. And on this side here, you're gonna have a pull-out Tupperware. And then below it is going to be your fridge. So the inside fridge here is a full 3-way RV fridge. So it's propane, electric, 110 power or 12-volt power. So depending on where you're camping, you can adjust your camping style to it. And then you do have that 12-volt fridge on the outside for additional beverages or extra items that you want to bring in. Down here at the other end, you're going to have your queen size bed. It is a full residential bed, so you have that 80 inches length, so it's not a short RV queen or anything like that. So in a small trailer, they get a king and a queen size bed. That's one of the benefits of a tent trailer. You do have a furnace in this trailer, so on those colder days or crisp mornings, you can turn your furnace on and it will warm up this tent trailer quite nicely. Along with your heated mattresses, you can really get out in colder temperatures, which is nice. You do have your more additional hanging storage down at this end, and to the side of me here, you do have a cutlery drawer, which is nice. Again, something small Rockwood does that makes a big difference. So you have an area to put your utensils. And over the kitchen, it does come with a hanging shelf to maximize your storage in the tent trailer. Thanks for taking the time to check out this Rockwood 2716F tent trailer. If you guys would like to see a new tent trailer video in the future, please leave it in the comments below. Also give any feedback in the comments below. Help us get to that 1,000 subscriber by hitting that subscribe button. And happy camping, and thanks for watching.